The 4916 series of 6-digit non-reset counters from Trumeter feature durable plastic housing and a compact design packed with the latest manufacturing technology, allowing for these devices to operate over a wide temperature range with low power consumption. Ideal for almost all counting machines and applications like mail equipment, photo machines, vending machines, gaming machines, elevators, copy machines, and ticket machines. These non-reset counters can be mounted by two front flange styles, base mount or behind the panel, offering easy and flexible installation options. With the ability to operate over a wide voltage range of DC and AC power, these devices will not lose count during power failures or from electrical noise. For more information on the 4916 series from Trumeter, visit us at gelco.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Gelco TV so you can be notified when new videos are posted every week.